For professionals juggling multiple workstations, the StarTech.com 4-port DisplayPort KVM switch promises to streamline workflows and declutter desktops. This TAA-compliant KVM switch allows users to control up to 4 DisplayPort-enabled computers with a single keyboard, mouse, and 4K 60Hz monitor. This makes it ideal for demanding applications like CAD/CAM, video editing, and content creation, where visual fidelity and responsiveness are paramount. The switch supports resolutions up to 4K at 60 Hz, ensuring crisp and clear visuals, and it's also compatible with HDR10 and HDCP 1.4. This ensures that users can enjoy high-quality video content without any compatibility issues. Beyond video, the KVM switch also handles audio, supporting both DisplayPort audio and 3.5mm analog audio. This allows users to listen to audio from one computer while controlling another, further enhancing multitasking capabilities. Switching between computers is fast and easy, with options for both push-button and hotkey switching. An audible buzzer provides confirmation of the switch, and LEDs offer a quick visual indication of the selected port. The KVM switch also features a built-in USB 5 gigabits per second hub with 2 ports, providing convenient access for peripherals like external hard drives or flash drives. There are also 4 dedicated USB HID ports for keyboard and mouse. Compatibility is a key strength of this KVM switch. It works with any operating system, including Windows, Mac OS, Chrome OS, and Linux, and it doesn't require any software installation. This makes it a truly plug-and-play solution, compatible with all hardware platforms such as Intel, AMD, and Apple. The StarTech.com KVM switch is built to last, with a durable metal housing that helps prevent electromagnetic interference. It also features 8 kV Air 6 kV contact ESD protection, enhancing its reliability and longevity. Included rubber feet keep the KVM switch in place during operation and protect the work surface. With its fast switching, universal compatibility, and durable design, the StarTech.com 4-port DisplayPort KVM switch is a valuable tool for professionals who need to manage multiple computers efficiently. Its high-resolution support, audio capabilities, and USB hub make it a versatile solution for a wide range of applications. The StarTech.com 4-port DisplayPort KVM switch offers a blend of performance, compatibility, and durability, making it a worthwhile investment for those seeking to optimize their multi-computer workflow.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.